Imagine a world where maintaining your garden is no longer a chore but a moment of pleasure and creativity. A world where, armed with a single tool, you could effortlessly transform your green space into a work of art, cordless and above all, with unmatched precision. This tool exists, and it is called the WORX WG801E cordless grass shear. A technological gem that will revolutionize the way you take care of your garden. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about these unique features, see hundreds of satisfied customer reviews, and order your own WORX WG801E cordless grass shear today. Additionally, feel free to subscribe to the YouTube channel to discover the best products every day. This product is ideal for both amateur and professional gardeners looking for a versatile tool for the precise and easy maintenance of their garden. Perfect for those looking to maximize the efficiency of their work without sacrificing quality, thanks to a practical 2-in-1 system and ergonomic features. The WORX WG801E cordless grass shear is not an ordinary tool. It combines ingenuity and performance to provide a unique gardening experience. Designed to be both a grass shear and a hedge trimmer, it adapts to all your needs, allowing you to sculpt your garden with the precision of a craftsman thanks to its 20-volt cordless battery. No more constraints from cables that limit your movements or noisy motors that disturb the tranquility of your outdoor space. Ergonomics has been placed at the heart of the design of this WORX WG801E cordless grass shear. The handle, with an ergonomic design, ensures a comfortable and stable grip, allowing for optimal control of the device. The telescopic handle, equipped with wheels, makes the device even more maneuverable. It can be adjusted to the desired height, providing unprecedented flexibility to reach all corners of your garden, regardless of their accessibility. 2001. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of extremely satisfied customer reviews. One of the highlights of this WORX WG801E cordless grass shear lies in its versatility. With two interchangeable blades, one 12 cm for shrubs and the other 12 cm for grass, you can switch from one task to another in just seconds without any additional tools. This quick and effortless conversion allows you to keep your garden immaculate, whether it's for trimming a dense hedge or for shaping the delicate edges of your lawn. The 20-volt PowerShare battery is another major advantage. Compatible with other WORX V garden and electric tools, it offers the freedom to share a single battery among multiple tools, thereby optimizing your investment in gardening equipment and reducing clutter in your shed or garage. But this WORX WG801E cordless grass shear is not only distinguished by its technology and versatility. Its sleek and modern design in subtle shades of black and orange makes it a pleasure to use and display. Weighing only 0.9 kg, this tool is easy to handle and transport, making long gardening sessions much less tiring. So don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it now at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. Now let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, versatility. The 2-in-1 device allows for easy switching from a WORX WG801E cordless grass shear to a hedge trimmer, making it ideal for various types of gardening tasks. Advantage number 2, maneuverability. Equipped with a telescopic handle and wheels, it offers excellent ergonomics and reduces fatigue during prolonged use. Advantage number 3, the PowerShare system allows the battery to be compatible with other WORX tools, helping to save on the purchase of additional batteries and reducing clutter. Advantage number 4, lightweight and compact. Weighing only 0.9 kilo, it is easy to handle and transport. Perfect for long tasks and for people of all strengths. Advantage number 5, cordless. No cable for total freedom of movement, eliminating the risks of tripping or accidentally cutting the cable. Now let's move on to some potential drawbacks of the WORX WG801E cordless grass shear. Disadvantage number 1, battery life. Although the battery is effective for large gardens, it may be necessary to have additional batteries to avoid interruptions. In summary, the WORX WG801E cordless grass shear is the ultimate tool for anyone looking to maintain their garden with ease, comfort, and precision. Whether you are an experienced gardener looking to optimize your equipment or an amateur eager to take care of your green space without the constraints of traditional tools, this WORX WG801E cordless grass shear is made for you. And if all of this seems promising to you, know that this is just the tip of the iceberg. With over 1,800 mostly positive reviews attesting to the quality and reliability of this product, the WORX WG801E cordless grass shear has already won the hearts of many gardeners. To discover for yourself why this tool is so appreciated and how to get yours at the best price, I invite you to click on the link in the description. You will find hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers that will help you make the best choice for your garden. Feel free to subscribe to the YouTube channel to discover the best products every day. With that, I thank you for your attention and hope to see you very soon.